I'm Mackenzie Voegerl, and I'm currently a sophomore studying construction engineering and management at Purdue. This past summer, I had a unique internship experience working for my family's residential construction business, Voegerl Construction, which is located in Huntingburg, Indiana, as a laborer and office assistant. As a laborer, I worked as pouring concrete, doing framework, roofing, installing windows and doors, masonry, and many other tasks. As an office assistant, I updated Voegerl Construction's OSHA plan, met with customers to collect information for the spec list and estimates, then sent the information to vendors and subcontractors. I also had the opportunity to draw 2 house plans for customers. The single-story 1,900 square foot home is currently being built, and the other 4,800 square foot home is to be built this fall. These pictures show the 4,800 square foot house in the bottom left, which I drew on Revit, some of the framework we built, and the concrete prep before it was poured in a basement. The first project I worked on this summer was a 1-story home with a daylight basement for a family of 4. The second project, and my personal favorite, was a unique 2-story lake home. The home was very tall, 40 feet from the roof peak to the ground, which caused some challenges during construction. My greatest triumph of the summer was framing the lake home. The home was long, skinny, and tall, which meant it had to be engineered and designed to withstand any wind load. As you can see in the picture, the LVL beams in the north wall were over 20 feet tall and very heavy, which made them very difficult to install. Over the duration of my internship, I learned many lessons, but the greatest lesson was learning how to run tools and equipment. Since this was my family's business, I was able to operate equipment such as the telehandler, skid steer loader, and the man lift. Because I was trained on this equipment, I was able to accomplish many more tasks, such as helping install these windows. I also learned about the importance of creating quality homes because after speaking with prospective customers, I learned that they had heard of Voegerl Construction through past customers who were very pleased with the craftsmanship of their home. Prior to my internship, I knew the importance of safety, but I did not understand it fully until we began work on the lake home with its height. Before I began my internship, I wish I had known that I cannot expect everything to go according to plan, especially in construction. There are far too many factors and uncertainties. When we began building the lake home, the weather played a huge factor. The home was located down a 1.5 mile mud driveway. This made it very difficult to deliver materials and move equipment to the job site until we had gotten the driveway fixed. Also, I learned how tentative scheduling can be at times. Subcontractors can sometimes get behind schedule, and this can create a conflict for us, the general contractor, and the other subcontractors. These projects were able to go from a house plan on a piece of paper to a livable structure by the work of all involved, by collaborating, communicating, and coordinating to achieve the common goal, a home for the customers and their families. I had an overall positive experience for my internship, and I will be able to use my knowledge and skills that I acquired in my classes and future career.